Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to change the template in Squarespace. Alright, let's begin. First of all, if you've been trying to switch Squarespace templates and couldn't find the option, then you're not alone. Squarespace has removed the ability to switch templates, but don't worry, I'll show you an alternative. So when you're logged into your Squarespace account at squarespace.com and you're on your website, head to the top right of the screen. Now, instead of searching for the template switch, look for the site styles option. When you click that, you can access the different style options for every aspect of your website. Note that the template switch is only available when you create a new website, but when it gets published, this feature is removed. Since my website is not published, that's why I have this feature. If you can't find it, then follow the steps. For example, if we go into fonts and select Switch Font Pack on the right-hand side, you can see that the essence of templates is still there. You have a set of font styles you can choose from, but you'll need to adjust each element individually as you see in the list. So you can no longer make a significant change to your website immediately. Rather than dealing with different themes, you have a handful of style options neatly organized. Yes, it's a bummer that you can't switch templates, but adjusting site styles is your go-to move now. So that's basically how you can change the template in Squarespace. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.